Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you a secret hack, how to talk to ChatGPT on your Mac desktop or laptop. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to install the ChatGPT software into my computer, but it doesn't work because my computer is too old. So I wanted to find a workaround for myself and for you to use so you can talk to ChatGPT without having to type. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what else you can do. You can also use this in Google search and in different document software. Like you can't use it in Google Docs because it already has a microphone in there, and you can use it in the search bar though. Check this out. Look, it just adds that microphone right here, and you can talk into your search 2 simple clicks. If you want to turn it off, you click it once. So now we're going to go ahead and try it again. ChatGPT. So now we're going to search for ChatGPT. This is where I want to use it because I use ChatGPT for a lot of writing and research. So look at this. Please give me a viral sounding title for a YouTube tutorial talking about how to use a secret keyboard hack to access a microphone to talk to ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and see what that is. Unlock this hidden keyboard trick to chat with ChatGPT. That sounds pretty easy, pretty simple, engaging, and curiosity driven. So do you want to know how I do this? It's a it's a button on this keyboard. Can you guess which one it is? If you can guess, put it in the comments and let me know what you think it is. Okay, I'm just going to tell you this button right here. It says FN. Watch. Tap it twice. Hello. Now I can pretend I'm talking into my keyboard like it's a microphone, but it's not. Tap it once to turn it off. Tap it twice to record your voice so you can ask ChatGPT questions, so you can talk to AI back and forth. Let's go ahead and ask it something. Let's ask it to write us something. Hey, Chat, will you please write me a YouTube script for that title? Here's a YouTube script. It has all of these other cool things like zooming in on the keyboard and transitioning to the screen on the desktop. But I don't really have time to do all that stuff. You guys know me. I'm pretty simple. Maybe at some point I will have a video that has time to do these things. As of now, I do not. So one other thing that's pretty cool. So anyway, now you know how to use ChatGPT's secret hack with keyboard on a Mac. Double tap the FN button on the left to talk to ChatGPT or to search or to something else. So I hope this has been helpful. And there you have it, folks, a simple yet powerful keyboard hack to make the most out of your ChatGPT experience. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below with your favorite ChatGPT queries so far. And don't forget, subscribe to more awesome tech tutorials. Until next time, happy chatting. Okay, that conclusion was pretty good. Thanks, ChatGPT.